Are stiff mornings and joint aches stopping you? I understand. Discomfort can really get in the way. ProFlexen helps you move freely and feel great. This isn't just another supplement. It's a formula for your joint health. Daily routines like long sitting and workouts can weaken our joints and cause pain. What sets ProFlexen apart? The star ingredient, UC2, is a patented collagen that outperforms glucosamine and chondroitin. Studies show it improves joint function and flexibility, helping whether you have existing issues or want to protect your joints. It also contains natural ingredients like Boswellia serrata and ginger for comfort, vitamin C for collagen, and manganese for strong bones. Don't let joint pain hold you back. Support your joints and move with confidence again.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.